Hey everyone, Clueless Dad here. I'm in Japan at a shopping mall. Came across a really cool digital vending machine that sells a very cool version of Pepsi that I've never seen before, so I decided to buy it. This is a Pepsi Refresh Shot Strong Cola. Refresh Shot, strong carbonation and strong caffeine. Strong. So here it is, the Pepsi Refresh Shot Strong Cola. So let's give it a try. Let's give it a taste. Tastes like Pepsi, like normal Pepsi, not really that different. Kinda has that guarana taste in it, I don't know. Like it's trying a little bit to be Red Bull, but it's not. But it tastes more like Pepsi than Red Bull. Yeah, not bad. It definitely tastes better than Red Bull. Okay, maybe the first oddity version of Coke or Pepsi that I've done on this channel that I actually like. Not too bad. Okay, that's it for today. See you next time here on the Clueless Dad when I do actual dad stuff, not just tasting soda. Bye. This is Coca-Cola Ginger with ginger extract flavor. Let's try it out, see how it tastes. I'm guessing not so good, but let's see.